when this channel arrive at 13 subscribers, I will make some videos alive, because here there's no one person in this channel, and the other channels that I have in Italian, Portuguese and French, I have a lot of persons, and there I can't do a live repairs, but here no. Well, I was trying to do the repair of this quadcopter. This is the internal part of this quadcopter, but I will turn on to you see what's the situation now. Now I can to turn on with security, but I have no images in this quadcopter. I need to change the flat cable, the PTZ cable. Look, we have movement. Look. Okay. We have moved. The gimbal starts the job. Starts the job. But there's no image. The drone was fallen down. And I was joining this repair. But now I need really to change the PTZ cable. It's the cable who makes the image arrive at your cell phone. This cable. I will change, and then this quadcopter will be good for fly again. Well, I will show to you now the app without images. And I come back now, on a minute. I need to get up this part here. Look, there's nothing, there's no image here. Nothing. And I cannot to do nothing here. Look, a picture, but when I try to see, the button is not in function. Look, if I try to do any video, it stops to work. I will repair. Okay, I will make a small change here to do this quadcopter generate images again. But my counsel with this, if you are not skilled to fly, don't fly. Okay, people, I need to get out the gimbal for start repair. The cable, the damaged cable, is the creator of all the images who arrive in your telephone, your cell phone, by the app. Why? What is happening here? Okay. Anything was stopping the move. Okay, this is the gimbal, and I will repair now. I need to change this cable. This is the major cable here. Let's go. Well, this job is running to the end. Now, the new gimbal it's perfect. I think I need to test in the quadcopter during the connection, and I will see if the gimbal is good or not. Everything I will do for left this quadcopter good. I made Now it depends of other things. The gimbal needs to be good, because if it's damaged, there's nothing to do. I will left here on another. This is no the one the right. But about the situation, my counsel is only fly the person with ability. Don't let any more. Only the person with a good ability. And we'll see if this cable can move the gimbal. Because if no one image is generated, there's no function. The gimbal don't start to work. Only if the gimbal can generate an image, there's move. The cable is new, and I need to see if there's condition for function with security. Let's go. I will see with you. The last? Go. The last. Wonderful. Let's go to the app, and I will see if can generate anything. Let's go. After change the gimbal flat cable, we have the same problem. It's not functioning. All the things here are perfect, but look, there's no function. The flat cable is damaged too. Look in the gimbal, all the things are great. There's nothing to the control, and all the things here are good. But look, there's no one image transmission here. I will change to this other one, and there's no function. Look, if I left the clearance at the maximum, there's not function too. What a pity. Well, this quadcopter don't fly today. The cable is damaged, and the owner will send again to the seller. Difficult. This is the damaged flat cable by the owner. And I was using a new flat cable, but it's damaged too. There's nothing here. There's no function here. Only one time again I will turn on the quadcopter. But I know it's damaged. Look, there's nothing here. I will show that all the things here are perfect, but there's no function. There's no function. And I will try to do a small video. Look. Look now. It don't it doesn't stop. Nothing. Okay. Now I try to do the generated video. Nothing. No one place. Well, nothing here. It's without image. Look, nothing. Trying to do any picture. Look. It's without conditions for generate pictures. Well, this quadcopter needs to wait because the flat cable is damaged. The owner will send to the seller again, and if it's possible to do a change, I think that it's possible. Repair this quadcopter the next days. Finish this repair, but no, there's no condition. Well, this quadcopter will have a second part, a hook.